Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Oluchi, and in today's video I'll be reviewing you guys some products that I received from Zikel Cosmetics. I received the product in this bag. So this bag is full of makeup products, from foundations to concealers to eyeshadows, you name it. I have my daughter here and she's keeping busy, but if for some reason you hear her laugh or something, just pardon me. So I received 6 foundations. From them, and then the darkest one is J Bronze, and that should be the closest one to my skin tone. But before now, I tried to swatch it and it was slightly lighter than my complexion. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have to mix it with a dark foundation. So the foundation comes in a plastic packaging like this, and it's also got a pump. I've just swatched it on my cheek, so can you see the contrast? And that's the darkest shade. So I just have to mix it with a darker foundation. I'll be mixing the foundation with this Nuban Beauty foundation, their darkest shade in Be Facier, and then some of this Zikel Cosmetics. I'll just mix both of them just to get something close to my skin tone. So I've already got my moisturizer on. I'm just going to go on ahead to apply this foundation. Let's see if I think it's still too light. I'm going to have to add more of this to it. So this usually happens to me. Sometimes brands don't just have my foundation shade. I would always have to mix. So the foundation doesn't have any scent to it because I just it's just like it. There's no perfume of any sort, so that's good. So it says on the pack, Zikel Pro Matte Foundation creates a look that's free of any excess oils and perfects the velvety finish that pulls light inwards. It's a long wearing and water resistance. It is long wearing and water resistance, specially formulated to give that medium to full coverage. Okay, this is what the foundation looks like. I'm done right now. So honestly, I can't really say much about the foundation. I honestly love the formulation and everything, but just because it's not my exact skin tone, like I can't really tell because I've already mixed it with some other brand. And yeah, this is what I was talking about. That's my daughter in the background. So like I was saying, I can't totally tell, but honestly I like the formulation. I like that it doesn't have a scent to it. So let me go straight to the concealers. I got like 7 concealers right here, and then I'm going to select the 2 darkest shades, and that's what I'll go in with. That is what I'll be highlighting my face with. So, I'm going to try this one. This is their lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer and corrector. So here is written 24 hours and it comes in 8ml, and it says second skin, sorry. So I'm just going to use this. Okay, and then the applicator the end of the applicator is a bristle, it looks like, and there's no smell as well. So okay, I think this shade will work for me. So I'm going to just highlight my face with this shade. Taking my Nuban Beauty blending sponge, and I'm going to use this to blend the concealer into the skin, and it seems to be blending in well. I'm going to go ahead with this foundation from Nuban Beauty, and I'm going to use it to contour my face. I'm just going to go in with the next shade, which is in caramel. The one I used before, I'm talking about concealer. The one I used before was Zikel Cafe. So I'm going to go in with this shade, just a little, to brighten things up a little bit. So in the bag, there were like 4 of these face definers, And then they came in the shade Honey, Beige and Caramel, but because I know where I would fall, my shade will fall into, so I will be, yeah, so this is what it looks like right here. Can you see the shade? Normally I would highlight my face using loose powder, but I'm going to go into this shade right here, the highlighter, and then the highlight, and then that's what I'm going to use to set the under of my eyes. And to do that, I'll be taking this Real Techniques angled multitask brush. It's a sort of an angled brush, so I'll just take this. I'm not too sure, I'm feeling this to be too light, but if it is, I'll have to go into the, let's see. Okay, it's not, it's nice, not bad at all. So I'm just using this to set the under eye area where I apply the concealer. So this is what it looks like, and it's looking good, I must say. This is just like in fact, it's exactly like my Zaron face definer. I'll show you guys in a bit. That's my Zaron face definer there, and that's the Zikel one right here. And even the back, what's written at the back, like it's just as if it's basically the same thing. And let me open it so you guys can see. Here you have the Zikel one and there the Zaron one, so they're practically the exact same thing, same packaging but different brands. So I'll be going into the dark one, the contour, to set the contoured areas, and this brush is from Real Techniques and it's their blush brush. So I'm just going to use this brush and then some of the products to set the areas that I've contoured. I'm so glad I've got this palette because it's an extra one, so at least when I run out of the Zaron one, I've got a replacement. I'm just priming my eyes with the Jumbo Pencil in Milk from NYX, and yes, I've done my brows as well. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like right here. And then you've got, most of the shadows are like shimmery shadows, and on the palette it's called HD Eyeshadow. These are the shadows right here. They look nice, so I'll just figure out what look to create. My transition shade, I'll try this one right here, and you see I'm swirling my brush in here, and I'm not really getting fallout, so that's a good sign. Let's see if, and then it's showing up on my skin quite, like, it's showing up, so that's a plus. Some eyeshadows just have the annoying fallout, so by the time you swirl like this, everywhere is full of eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this into this other brown shade right here, and then I'll pop it into the inner corner right here, and then the outer corner as well. I'll go in with a smaller dense brush, and I'll pick this black, although it's a bit shimmery, but yeah, and it has some fallout, so when you're using it, be sure to tap off the excess so you don't ruin your makeup. And also in the inner corner right there. I'm just going to take this gold shade right here, and it looks really beautiful, so I'm just going to take it and then apply, and then can you see it's so pigmented, really pigmented. Wow, can you see that? So I'm going to be lining my eyes with the Zikel Cosmetics Smudge Proof eyeliner, and this reminds me, well, the packaging is very similar to the Inglot gel liner. So I've just decided to go in with this red shade right here and apply the shadow here just to spice things up. So moving on to my face, I'm going to go in with this Zikel Let's Face It. It's HD matte, full coverage and smooth. So it's their face powder. Hold on one moment, please. See what I have to do. I have to turn this on. Well done, good girl, go on. So that's what the powder palette looks like, and to be honest, I have used this palette like I think the last two videos I did, I tried the powder and it was so nice. So I'm really loving these powders, they're so good. I'm taking this shade in Cappuccino right here, the brown shade, and then I'm using this to blend my entire face. So for blusher, I'll be going into the eyeshadow palette, and I'll take this shade right here, the reddish shade, and then this will serve as my blusher. Decided to go in with a dark eyeshadow and then smudge the bottom of my eyes. Then going in with this red one here. And so to highlight my face, I'll be going in with their Zikel Sparkling Honey Dust. And this looks quite interesting. It's in the shade Moonlight. So it's the loose mineral highlighter. It's so sparkly, wow. I just hope I don't make a mess. So I'm just going to use a bit of this too. Can you see that? Ooh. Ooh, you just have to be very... Oh, I don't want to add a lot. It's quite this is it's not exactly fine. I mean, let's say the texture is not exactly fine, but it's very sparkly. So this works this in my opinion will be best used as a body highlighter. If you want to glisten, then you can pop this on your body and then you will glisten. So I'm going to pop some of this highlighter in the inner corner of my eye like so. I just have highlighter all over the place, like it's in the air, on my body, on my hands, all over the place. So for my lips, I didn't receive any lip product, so I'll just go in with this NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. I'll use this to outline my lips. I'll be using this butter gloss in Fortune Cookie Biscuit from NYX as well. I'll be using this all over my lips. So normally I wouldn't set my face, because I notice that whenever I set my face, I tend to get so oily and my face becomes very dewy. So but for the purpose of this video, because I got this product, I'm going to go in with this Zikel setting spray. It's their long lasting, long wear, sheer envy, fade resistant, humidity protection, 24-hour long wear and hydration. So I'll just spray this. Sorry. It has I thought I didn't expect it to have scent to it, but it smells like it smells like what do you call it, not body spray, like body mist. You know all those body mists we used to wear in secondary school. So I've just popped it on, and that's what my makeup is looking like. Can you see what I said? Like, well, it's, if you don't mind, like, you know, that glow, the dewy skin, this is definitely for you. But if you want your face to be matte, I don't think you should bother using it to set your face. But honestly speaking, I like how my face is looking. I like the glow to it, and it actually helped the, what do you call it, the highlighter to set some more. So I'm done with the entire face, and then anyway, let me tell you guys my honest opinion about this product. So starting with the foundation, honestly I can't really say much about it because it wasn't my exact shade, but I love the formulation. It was okay, and I love that it didn't have any perfume or any kind of scent to it, so it's okay. I wish I got it in my shade, that way I can like really tell you guys you know what I thought about it. But so far so good. Even though I mixed it, it turned out well, and like I said, I like the formulation. Going to their concealers, it's like it's stated, it says it's lightweight, waterproof, and full coverage. So yes, I agree with the part where it says it's lightweight. It's actually lightweight. And then yeah, as for the waterproof part, I can't really tell because I haven't gone into a pool or I haven't, you know, poured out on myself. But I think it's an okay one. I like the formulation is quite light. It's not, honestly, this is I think the lightest consistency I've ever seen for what do you call this, a concealer. And then I did notice that it's like got into the lines of my under eye. Maybe it's because I didn't set my face with a proper loose powder, but that's just what I noticed with it. Other than that, it's a very okay concealer. Coming to their face definer. The face definer worked just absolutely well. Oh, and I totally forgot, I should have even tried using their bronzer, but that's okay. I'm loving this one that I used. The face definer is totally fine. It reminds me of the Zaron one. It's amazing. I like all the shades are good. I like how dark the contour one is. Like, I would personally buy this. The gel liner was okay. It like went on well, and it was dark enough and creamy enough. I really love eyeliner, so this one, like, yeah, it did well, I must say. I liked it. And then the eyeshadows are very, very pigmented. I'm very highly impressed with it. And then yeah, I like that they're pigmented, and they were like, you didn't have a lot of fallouts, little or no fallouts. And then just with the black one, but maybe it's because the black one it's a mixture of like matte and then shimmer, so that's why maybe there was a little bit of fallout, but it wasn't significant. The eyeshadow did well. I really love their eyeshadows, very pigmented. So coming to the sparkling honey dust, this highlighter, honestly, I'm really liking it now. Initially when I applied it, it was just hanging on my skin and I was a bit, you know, concerned, but I like the way it is on my body. I don't know if the camera is really catching it, but it would really, if I would use this on my body, I'll use it on my client's body as opposed to using it on the face. But I mean, sometimes I can try to use it on the face, but most of the time I would definitely use it on my body. I'll prefer to use it on my body because it's not as fine as like I would normally want my highlighters. But would I buy this? Yes, I would buy it, like I said, especially for my body. Coming to the setting spray, the fixing spray, makeup fixing spray, it's a good one, but the thing is that it's slightly the scent is slightly strong. The perfume they added is a bit too strong, you know, and the fact that you have to spray it on your face, it's slightly strong. But other than that, I liked it. It did a good job. Can you see how it's like it set my entire face? It's the kind of thing that like you spray on your face if you want that dewy finish, because my face seems to be slightly dewy now. So my favorite product, the best product out of all the products I tried today, is the Oliver face powder. Like, I can't believe I've had this for a long while and I never ever reached for it. I totally love it. I am totally loving it. And then yes, if you're as dark as me, do grab yourself this powder. You won't regret it at all. So this has to be for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you've tried some of their products before, do let me know in the comment section below. Then let me know your favorite product from their brand as well. And then if you'd like to see more of this kind of videos on my channel, let me know in the comment section as well. And then give this video a thumbs up so I know that you really enjoyed it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.